In the astrology for this weekend on April 13th and 14th, we have two very intense energies. The energy of the fire goat to start off the weekend on Saturday with a sun conjunction with Eris, which is very powerful, very intense, followed by the sun in a novile with Saturn on the 14th, this upcoming Sunday, on the day of the earth monkey. So for these energies, what we're going to be noticing is essentially on Saturday, there's going to be something very massively disruptive. And it doesn't necessarily represent a failure, but if it does, it's important to recognize what comes after that and how this process can happen, which sometimes the sun in its conjunction with Eris will create a sense of discord. It will disrupt a plan that you've had for quite a long time. But after this disruption, directly following it comes the sun in its novile with Saturn, which sometimes means that if we fall down or if something doesn't work out, that it's actually leading us to a more important opportunity, which is recognizing how it is we handle those situations. And sometimes the lessons we learn from those situations are more important than actually what we would have learned from succeeding on our very first try. It doesn't mean that we're destined for failure for something important. What it simply means is something that we care about right now might be delayed. It might go through some difficulty, some kind of staff change. There might be a shift in kind of what we envision versus how things are actually happening. And this disruption might represent failure directly. But on the day of the earth monkey, after going through this fire goat, aka fire Cancer energy, we go into the earth monkey, which is this very stable form of the Leo energy. And so things stabilize a little bit. Things kind of take a back seat, or we get a little bit of an extra view and observation of what was really happening here and what was really important. For example, maybe we handled this disruption incredibly well, and it's some of the people that we are connected to who handle it incredibly poorly, and this reveals that energy to us just before this sun novile Saturn, aka this sacred initiation of our divine responsibility. So for this weekend, if things look like they're going wrong, pay close attention because they might be teeing you up for something much, much better. So I hope that this has helped, and I will talk to you all on Monday.